This is Brian. Say hello, Brian. This is your internet debut. Huh? You can eat them all.
Hello and welcome to Ask a Cat Lady. This week's question comes from Steven and he wants to know, how do I keep my feral kitty cats that my neighbors take care of out of my garden? Who would want to keep kitties out of their garden? I don't know. But we do have a few tips for you. If you have a garden inside your backyard, then you might find a kitty being somewhat naughty, digging up the daisies, getting kinda crazy. You know they were here today. They left you the scent of spray, peeing on peonies, pooping on the roses, destroying all that's good like gangsters in the hood. Spread pinecones all around, lay some rough rocks on the ground. The peel of any citrus fruit might deter the urge to poop. If you lack technology, try ultrasonic frequency sprinklers that spray, activated by motion, peeing on peonies, pooping on the roses, destroying all that's good like gangsters in the hood. And if you're on the verge of giving up, just get their own litter box. Peeing on peonies, pooping on the roses, destroying all that's good like gangsters in the hood. Adorable. You can come in my vegetable garden anytime. Your poops are adorable. Adorable. This is me. If you have a question, you can leave a comment or email me at sarah@saradona.com.